Ciao, fan de camion. Google Translate's telling me that's Italian for hello truck fans. And so I want to bring that up because in here we have a Kyosho Lamborghini LM002, which is a truck made by Lamborghini back in 1986, and it was also sold up to 1993. Around 330 of these things were actually made. There's a V12 engine up front, and it's taken from the Lamborghini Countach. So that was a 5.2 liter V12 up there, and the history of this truck is Lamborghini was trying to sell them to militaries and oil exploration companies. They had two prototypes before that were rear-engined and using American power plants, but the rear engine just didn't lend itself well to the performance. So when they switched over to the front V12 from the Countach, they started to sell them. And this thing had a nickname, the Rambo Lambo. You know, Rambo the movie? Because it's such an aggressive-looking truck for the time, at least. Back then, in 1986, this thing was pretty aggressive-looking. Okay, so another thing I found out about this truck is it has a 45-gallon fuel tank. Again, it's meant for military exploration. And it had a steel frame and an aluminum body panels, but it still is pretty heavy. The thing came in at 2,700 kilograms, and which is around 3 tons. So that's some of the information I found out about this truck. Now, as a kid, I just remember seeing this, and I thought, wow, this is a cool looking truck, but I never really knew any of the statistics behind it. So let us take a closer look here. I'll zoom in on here. Okay, so we got a nice little red here, red supercar color. We got these tall tires, some molded in grill texture there, so that's nice. The door handles are painted black, that's nice as well. Got some decent molding here to indicate the hinges. The plastic glass is really nice and clear, so that's very nice. Okay, let's wrap around to the back. We got the plastic lights, printing there, it says Lamborghini, and it's got the Raging Bull there. You don't see that too much. Usually it's the crest, but that's just the Raging Bull. And then I got some brush guards or something here. Yeah, that's pretty interesting. Also interesting is this wheel cover. The center is just painted red like the body. Interesting. Okay. Oh, look at this. We got texture up here for the floor pan. I'm guessing that's aluminum, because if the body's aluminum, that floor pan might be as well. That's a shame there. Some sort of black. What is this thing? It's just black paint. And then this handrail seems to be a molded piece of plastic. Not sure why they would paint that black, though. Okay, you can see some seats in there, pretty wide. You know, it reminds me of a Hummer, the amount of space between the seats. I didn't actually look up the dimensions of this vehicle. I just know it's heavy. Okay, so here's that the Lamborghini crest on the front. Okay. Oh, nice. The headlights seem to have like this square black in them. I'm not sure if that's the plastic, it's just molded square and it's inserted into the body, or if that's a graphic. Hard to tell. But here we got a texture here. I'm not sure if that's a radiator or an oil cooler, or just the grill itself, because this is black here. I imagine that's the grill. Not really sure. Okay, so there's some turn signals and running lights there, but they're just painted. Okay. Let's take a look underneath while we're going around. Some indication of some suspension there. Looks like it has an independent four-wheel suspension. What I don't understand are these two drive shafts. Transfer case, power there. I don't know what's going on there. Some exhaust pipe indication. I'm not sure what these would indicate. Okay. So, let's go to the top view again. What's going on here? Some sort of power bulge and like some ribbing. I'm not maybe the air filters back here? I assume these black painted boxes are supposed to be like vents to get the heat out past the radiator. Okay, so it's a pretty nice model. I don't know when this thing was made by Kyosho, what year, but obviously it would be part of one of those Lamborghini collections that they put out. But I lucked out. This model looks pretty nice. I mean, red is really susceptible to paint rash, and this doesn't seem to have it. There does seem to be some tiny scratches here, but I'm okay with that. It's better than paint rash. Alright, looking around here again. Okay, well, it looks like there's a little black circle here. Maybe that's where a fuel filler goes. I don't know if that makes sense, though. Well, I guess it could be a pipe going down there. Alright. Well, pretty short video. It's just one car. If you guys are interested in Lamborghinis and trucks at the same time, this is the kind of car you want to pick up. I got this one off eBay. Alright, take care, guys. Bye.